Hey, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to show you, I've done the idiot's proof version of building a DLL from this entire webinar set of files that's including the pairs trading. Call me stupid, call me lazy. I just wanted to prove to the world that it can be done and how it can be integrated into a trading platform, like my custom C# platform or system, whatever you want to call it. But what I'm trying to show here is the final message here when I do a build on in Matlab using Matlab Builder any toolbox. This does work. So here we are. This is after the build process. I'll show you how to get to this point. Just want to show you that we do have build finish. Here's the resulting pair trading DLL that can be accessed from my .NET applications, and it's successful. Okay, so how do we get here? This took quite a while to build. Okay, I'll include this project and all that for my members. So as I said here, we've got the entire all the webinar files that you can download from the link I showed in the previous video, all this. And what I did was I've opened up my .NET assembly, and voila, I've created this new project called let me just see here what we can do. Here we got settings. It's a .NET assembly. And when you create a new project, you get other choices: jar files, COM, self-containing applications, Excel add-ins. Very powerful. Gotta make sure you have the right builder toolbox, like Builder JA, Builder EX. And essentially what you'll see here, this is the name of the file, pair trading here, the DLL it's created. This is obviously the path that it resides in, as well as a SRSC folder and a distrib folder. Now here's the cool part. Here's all the toolbox that supports virtually all of them, all the functions within these toolboxes. So this can be done nice and easy. Easy peasy. Warnings, .NET, all that stuff we don't really need to worry about. Okay? So I want to show that. So what I did was, when I created this puppy, obviously I've got a new pairs trading class, which is going to be seen within the .NET framework, or my C# in Visual Studio. And I've included virtually all the M scripts that are in here. This includes all in the models folder, pair trading, trading system, all that, everything. Stupid, I know, but you wouldn't want to do that because it just makes the DLL monster. But you could select whichever ones. So it does go through the build, and it does create it. Now this is what the folder will look like. Right here, it'll look like this. Okay, so here's what you download from MathWorks for the webinar files I showed in the previous posting. Come into pair trading, and here's those files. So we have the source file, just basically your DLLs, DLL, okay, that your C# will read and talk to. Plus you get your distribution, same thing. Okay, so that's the important stuff. So in a nutshell, it does build, it does work beautifully. Now, the other part of this process is with these M files. I showed you the one demo, where is it, demo 5, and in the previous video I showed you the cool stuff, all this parallelization. Well, let's say when you create your map pool of all your resources that are available on the system or in the network, you can, through the .NET and the DLL, be able to access these resources. So you can have a C# program, run a script in Matlab through the Builder any process, and still be able to, without any hassles, without any further coding, be able to access your functions as well as all the resources that you need for parallelization. So in essence, you could speed up, you know, through the C# and be able to parallelize from the C#, but at the same time only use those resources and all the plumbing that goes with setting up your GPU parallelization. That can be all done so easily from within the C#. So you don't have to worry about monkeying around with some, you know, wonky third-party library to do parallelization, something like from NVIDIA or CUDA or whatever they call it. This can be done much easier, much easier, and less coding, and it's better. Just be happy with that. That's why people pay for that. Okay, so that's a nice highlight there. So that's the DLL. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and probably recode all this and rearrange it, make it easier, better, trim it down. It's only specifically for pair trading, and have it integrate with my .NET trading platform, in quotes as I call it, or system. Be able to read in real world, real market tick data for both time series, whatever I'm going to watch. Run what I showed you in the walkthrough with this demo here. All this stuff. Do a calculation against it within the Matlab DLL, and then the return and the response from that Matlab call, be able to make that trading decision. Then go into my Interactive Brokers TWS or Trader Workstation, make the entry or exit using both .NET as well as the Matlab resources available to me. Okay, so I'll show that in another video. I'm not going to go through the, I'll just show it can be done. No charting, nothing, but just show you how you can do it, and against any trading pair I want. Okay, so that's pretty cool, I find. Real easy too, man. I've only been at it for an hour. Not too bad. A lot easier than hand coding it from scratch. Talk to you later.